guys, our Lido Arts session today is being conducted as scheduled. Our art teacher has asked us to draw the given image. According to her instructions, all angles formed between two segments should be of the same measure as in the given image. I need help with drawing the roof of this house. I can tell that the corners of the roof are at a certain angle from the base, but we don't know how much this angle measures. The only tools I have are a ruler and a compass. How do I construct a copy of an angle of unknown measure? Let's find out. The roof is visibly triangular. Let's label its base segment AD. We have to draw an angle equal to angle A, whose measure is unknown. For this, we first draw a line M and mark any point P on it. Then, with the compass pointer on A and using any radius, we draw an arc that intersects both arms of angle A at points B and C respectively. After this, with the compass pointer on P and the same radius as we used last, we cut an arc that intersects line M at point Q. Then, we place the pointer of the compass on C and extend the other arm to point B. In doing so, we are measuring the length of BC. Next, with the compass pointer on Q, we draw another arc such that it intersects the previous arc at point R. Finally, using a ruler and a pencil, we join P and R. What we have now is angle RPQ, which is of the same measure as angle A. Using the same procedure, we'll replicate angle D to complete the roof. Let's do it then, shall we? Mark point T at some distance from point P. Then, with the compass pointer on D and using any radius, draw an arc such that it intersects both arms of angle D at points X and Y respectively. After this, with the compass pointer on T and the same radius as before, we cut an arc intersecting line M at point S. Next, with the compass pointer on X, we extend the other arm to point Y. In doing so, we are measuring the length of XY. Then, with the compass pointer on S, we draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point W. Finally, using a ruler and a pencil, we join T and W. What we have now is angle WTS, which is of the same measure as angle D. Hey, look! This does look like a replica. I'm going to try my hand at a few more sketches while you go and practice some more constructions. See you soon!